Welcome to Graphic 45's Volume 1 monthly kits. These kits are for 2021 and we are excited to kick off a new year with two fabulous kits. I'm Shari Filamahala here at the Graphic 45 headquarters, and I am excited to get to unveil these fun and fabulous projects for you today. So both of these kits this month are featuring our Nature Notebook Deluxe Collector's Edition. And this collection has been requested by so many of you on our social media to bring back and has been a hit, flying off shelves already. So we're excited that we got to bring this collection back. It sold out super fast first time around, so we're sure it's going to be a hit again. To show you our Club G45 Volume 1 projects, these have been created for us by Annette Green. And if you're familiar with her work, you know that she always creates some really fun and fabulous projects, but it's never, she never skimps on the details. So there's a lot of gorgeous details and techniques that we are going to be teaching you in both of these tutorials. So first up, we're going to teach you how to create this fun and fabulous wrap album. So you can see it's got a fun magnetic closure on the front, some dimensional roses, as well as fussy cuts and chipboard elements. And then once we open this inside, you're going to see we are going to teach you how to create your own hinge binding system. This is going to be a great technique for you to learn because you'll be able to reuse it over and over again on projects to come in the future. We'll also teach you how to create some fun creative pockets as well as some interesting page styles. So a lot of interactive elements and details, which we've got to love. There's some fold outs as well as more pockets, some homemade little tags. So there's a lot of places and opportunities for you to add your own photos and your journaling. This album is going to be great for putting in your keepsakes, but it'd also be great as a little nature journal if you wanted to use it that way, or as a gift. So you can see each page is just so delightful and beautiful on its own, but once you add in your photos, it's going to really pop. And then on the back, there's a nice little pocket page where you can stick some extra tags and cut apart some more photos to really keep those memories flowing. So that is our wrap album that I'll teach you how. This, you can find the tutorial in the link below. And then also for the second project that you'll be creating with our Club G45 is this fun desktop calendar or frame. If you want to do the calendar style, there is in the link below as well, or in the description below, there's a link to a printable calendar for 2021. So you can print those out and just cut those, ink those edges if you want to antique them and create this little desktop calendar. Or if you want to use this as a frame, you can just always adhere a photo to the center, or you could add a little clip up at the top and slide in new photos every time you've got a new photo you want to feature. But this is created with some chipboard that also comes with our Club G45 kit. So you'll get the chipboard for the album and then also this little desktop frame as well. Along with that, in our Club G45 kit, you'll be getting our Nature Notebook 12 by 12. You get 24 double-sided sheets in there. Those are full of beautiful colors, florals, and mushrooms. You'll also be getting the Nature Notebook chipboard and the two cardstock sticker sheets that are 6 by 12. So they're great for adding on all those special embellishment and touches without having to do a lot of work. So we love that. You'll also get a bag, a Graphic 45 logo bag, to put all of your goodies in. You also have some leftovers you can stuff in there, or while you're working on your project, you can always store it in your bag if you need to take a break, which we love as well. And then you'll get the Graphic 45 Ivory roses, and then that chipboard kit we mentioned earlier that has all the die cut pieces, and it's already been scored and it's ready for you to use, and two magnetic closures. And then of course you'll be getting that project sheet with step-by-step colored directions. If you want to print out that project sheet, you can do that on our website as well. Just hop on over to G45papers.com, and then up on the top there's an inspiration tab, and click that and go to the project sheets tab, and you can print out this project sheet, or we've got over 30 other ones on there. So you can keep your creative wheels turning and creating along with us all year long from those also. Now to hop on over to our G45 Card Club. These cards have been created for us by Ginger Ropp. And Ginger is always coming up with fun and fabulous ways on how to take a standard card base and turn it into something spectacular. So this month we'll be creating these easy and dimensional step cards. They feature our Nature Notebook 8x8 collection that you'll be getting the 24 sheets in there as well. And these are just like the 12x12s, but have been sized down, so they're great to use for cards and your smaller scale projects. You'll also be getting these black card bases along with 6 envelopes. And then you'll be getting the Nature Notebook chipboard, our ornate metal corners, a project sheet, and then the graphic 45 bag to store all of your card supplies in. And this one is scaled down smaller, so it's just the perfect size for all your goodies. In the video tutorial for these step cards, I'm going to walk you through how to create these 3 different step cards, but then taking these same tutorials or pattern templates, I'll show you how to create 3 more with the other supplies. So you'll be able to create a total of 6 gorgeous dimensional cards, and you'll learn some fun techniques along with us. So go ahead and hop on over to our website, G45papers.com. You can subscribe to both of our kits and get those delivered directly to you in the mail every month, or you can just pick up which kit you would like on there as well. The kits do tend to sell out quickly, so we would advise hopping on over there fast. Otherwise, you can always just grab what supplies you do have at home and join us and create along with us with what you've got in your own stash. So let's go ahead and hit those links below, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time we post a video tutorial. So go ahead and do that and then join us for one of these fun tutorials.